We're going to build a paper airplane launcher. Oh.
Ooh.
So wear it so you can keep things like. Okay, so first we're going to take a shorter plate that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 holes in it. And then in the last hole, stick a screw, and then take your motor mounting plate and stick it through the hole, like that, and then through the slot, stick another screw. Then flip it over, screw that down, same thing for this one, screw it down. Now this can rotate back and forth. We're going to repeat that for this one. So, like that. And then we want to make sure that this hole's on the outside. And now we're going to, from here, just tighten these a little bit with your little pliers.
That's cool. They get a little pliers.
It's like the only multi-tool that doesn't have a knife on it. So like
Exactly what you did.
yeah.
Yeah. I will definitely get that to you.
And then you have 2 holes on this side, 2 holes on the other side, like that. And then the inside bolts, just screw that in, like that. Now, you're going to take your motor.
Does it matter which one you put it into?
It doesn't.
Okay.
Because they're pretty much like that.
Oh, okay, so there's 2.
So now, our wheels,
Nice.
install them. Like that. And you're going to want to adjust them open so that there's a little gap in between them. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Let me do that one more time just so I can have an extra close-up. We are going to put the crayon coloring stuff before inserting the dowels. Is that right? Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
All right. So that's where this video goes.
Okay.
Verbal note.
So,
Oh, I guess I should hit play on this.
so to make installation easier, color the dowel with your crayon. Oh, don't color the table. Might get mom and dad mad at you.
Put newspaper down first.
And then you'll push it in. And once you get it started, just push down like that. And the crayon makes it easier to push down. So you're going to take your long dowel and one of your long sticks and install it 1, 2, 3, 4 holes over.
And are you sure about that?
Positive this time. And you're going to install it until it sticks through, you know, a little bit. No science behind it. And we're going to repeat that for this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. And so these are like roughly the same.
Yeah.
Then we're going to install this dowel going like this, just like that.
So not sticking out on one end at all. Okay.
That's right. Then this one, same thing. Like that. And the way this is going to work is this is going to go on here. Like that.
There you go.
And then this gonna go on that one.
Okay, I'm gonna quick shot of that.
Take this little block back here. On you, turkey.
Use crayon.
Yeah, I actually brought a crayon. I should illustrate that. Now, we're going to take this piece, which is going to be just as long as this one. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13 holes in it. You're going to install one of these on one side. Is that right? Here, let me color it.
They're such small pieces.
I know. And one on the other side. And then push it down like that. And
If you could
then,
just like hold that up for me for just a second so I can see how it looks. Cool.
and then we're going to take this and install it where it fits. So it's only going to be able to go in one place, but like right there it won't fit. Right there you could probably flex it and make it work, but and then like down here it won't work. And so right there. And we want it to stick through like that.
Okay. So, like a little bit underneath needs to show.
And then this is going to go, so you got 13 holes in this guy. 13. So the middle of that is going to be 7. Right? No, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then so in the 6th hole from that side, we're going to install one of these just like that. The 6th hole from the other side, install one of these just like that. And with this long piece, like that. Oh,
Oh no!
like that.
Nice.
Now you want to make sure that these are above these.
Oh, that makes sense actually.
So there are a couple of ways you can do it. If you lower these, because you can just push the motors down, that's one way to fix it. But then you're only able to shoot a paper airplane that's that tall.
Uh-huh.
So what we'll do is we'll push this back up like that so we can launch a little taller paper airplane. And what we'll do is push these up like that. And then we'll also bring these down like that. So
Cool.
now your paper airplane wings are going to go over it.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
That does.
In order to launch the paper airplane forward, we need this motor to spin like this and this motor to spin like this. So they need to spin in opposite directions because this this one needs to be counterclockwise, this one needs to be clockwise. So on our motors, I will probably have to send you a drawing.
Okay.
Because basically right there, you're probably not going to see it, is a plus sign.
Ooh, let's see. Well, I think I have it. It just doesn't really look like.
So with this upside down, we want to hook the wire that's connected to the plus on this motor. So for me, it's blue to the wire that's not hooked to the plus on the other motor. So I want to connect, for me, white to blue. I'm going to twist these together because when you hook them up opposite, they spin opposite.
That's really neat. I was wondering how that was going to work out.
And then we're hooking up the positive on this motor to the negative. It's actually just doesn't, not
the
marked,
unlabeled
but,
one.
Yeah. On that one. And then twist them together. And then clip an alligator clip on it. And then flip it back over. And now you can take your batteries and your battery pack.
This is the easy part.
Install your batteries. Just so you know, the flat part goes on the spring. Doesn't really matter though. And then you're gonna have to figure out which one hooks up to what. So we'll start by just, hooking up this one to the red wire, this one to the black wire, and then this actually acts as a switch. So
Okay.
turn it on, and you'll see these are actually turning backwards.
Could you turn that on one more time? Just okay. And then one more time to show them start spinning. Once they stop. Okay.
Back this way. So what you need to do is flip the way that the electricity is moving through the circuit by connecting the wires opposite. Like that.
Turn it on. It's going the right way.
So now you actually have airplane launcher. So
Yay!
This actually.
Wow. And then it's done? Woo!
Back this way. So what you need to do is flip the way that the electricity is moving through the circuit by connecting the wires opposite. Like that.
Turn it on. It's going the right way.
So now you actually have airplane launcher. So
Yay!
This actually.
Wow. And then it's done? Woo!
So we're here. Take these two little short dowels, stick one into one corner, one into another corner, and push it down like that. Push it down like that. And then take this plate and install it off to the side. So right now it's, 2 holes over, 2 holes down. It doesn't really matter, but you want space on one side. And I'm actually, that's fine. And then do that number like there. And then hook this one up like that.
Oh, and it's going through those little
It's going through these little slots in the
slot
plate.
things. Okay, so there and there. Okay.
And then now,
Oh, so you can close it up. I see what you're doing.
color the dowels. And then take your short little plate and this length dowel, install that, you know, just like that. And then with this flipped over, you're just going to want to install this somewhere like in the middle. And then this piece is going to go across like this. And then you want to push it down so it holds it tight. Now everything's tight.
Mm-hmm.
Then we can take our battery pack and put two pieces, and a little piece right there, and a little piece right here. And then with the wires facing down, we're going to install it right there. And then we said earlier, it doesn't really matter because your alligator clips are sticking out, but we did red to white.
Oh boy, I don't remember.
I think it's red to white, but we'll see. And then feed this under. Like that. And try it out. Oh, that's backwards.
Whoops.
No problem. No problem. So,
I'll probably just not put that part in and just
Yeah,
say, all right, and now you hook these up.
and then the last part is to take this piece that has however many holes that is in it and install it right there.
Oh, so you can put it on your arm.
So now you can hold it just like this, turn it on, and launch airplanes.
Yes.
Using a piece of paper that has green lines on one side, white on the other, just so you can kind of tell what I'm working on. I don't know if green was the best color choice, but
Stands out nicely against the green and everything. Or, I mean, against the table.
then you're just going to line up those two sides like every old paper airplane and fold it, and then I like to use my fingernail on the creases to make it nice and sharp.
Mm-hmm.
Then we're going to fold the corner into the center line, just like that.
Okay.
And a nice sharp crease. Don't do that. And then same thing right there. The key to a good paper airplane is symmetry.
Yes, definitely.
And this is a horrible example. But it'll be alright.
Yeah, just don't worry about it. Pretend it's symmetrical.
It's so symmetric. And then we're going to fold this corner, or this edge right here, onto the center line. And when you do this, you want to be careful not to just like push this over like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So you want to make sure that it stays as good as together as possible. Like that. And same thing on this one.
I appreciate the attention to detail.
I feel like I'm not paying any attention because I can't see.
Well, just even little things like, you gotta be symmetrical, or you gotta.
It makes a huge difference. Like, it's crazy.
Those engineering facts, man.
Okay, now take the tip and fold it to that point right there,
Ooh, okay.
like that.
Yep.
Then fold that over. Now you should start to see how symmetrical things are. Like, that looks pretty symmetrical. And now we want to fold a little, what we call a winglet, which, you know, no real science, just make it, I don't know, 1/2 inch long, about like that.
Sounds good.
And fold this side, flip it over, and once again, make it symmetric. I have no freaking idea if this is symmetric or not. Best as possible, like that. Then you'll need to pay attention to airplane launcher on how big the body is, because it has to be able to clear that.
Okay, yes.
If it's farther down in there like that, then it's gonna hit and it won't work. So, you know, we just wanna make sure we give ourselves plenty of room. Move this back out of the way, plenty of room. And we'll fold this nice and straight like that. And then flip it over.
You're doing a great job.
Am I? Is that sarcasm?
No, you really are. Like I can tell that you're uncomfortable, that you want to bend over it, but you're doing a good job.
Okay.
Fight the urge.
So now your paper airplane looks like this, which won't fly for crap. You can try it if you want. But what you need to do is flatten it back out. Flatten everything back out. And you want your plane to have a V shape like this, because that gives the plane stability. If when it's like this, it's gonna want to flip.
That's interesting.
So it's just like a boat with a big hole. And the other thing is you'll throw it, and it kind of goes on. You want it to have not shaped like an M, because when it's shaped like an M, it's very unstable. It's gonna flip. It's the opposite, so it's more like a V. It's gonna fly much more stable. You don't want to flip over. You want these to be roughly even, symmetrical, so that one side doesn't want to turn one way or the other. So that turned left. We got symmetry, and we've got our V type shape, but if we'll notice, it turns left. What we'll do is we'll take the tail, just bend it back to the right like that. So now it's turning right. So, you know, that was turning a little too far to the right, so we'll kind of straighten it back out, see what it does. And that's pretty straight. The last little bit, if you fold that side up and that side up right there, let's see, that's gonna make it want to go up.
Oh, neat.
Now, actually flies pretty good.
All right, we're ready.
Oh, womp. Go, go, go. Ah! Go, 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 go.
That was pretty cool.
Chance.
It's the final countdown.
Alright, no wind. Up, nosedive.